best way and they supported India. The technology is wonderful. I saw it in Pinnapuram. This is Andritz Hydro for being the best technology provider in the class of global PSPs, RPTGs, etc. And for India, they've done a great job. Not only Pinnapuram, I think several of these orders are seeing Andritz Hydro winning it. May I request the representation of, the name was not here, so you'll have to introduce. I have not seen the name written here. Aye.
Gaurav Sharma.
Gaurav Sharma. Gaurav, congratulations.
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very committed company to India. They've got a manufacturing facility near Bhopal. Mandideep, please.
Good afternoon, everybody, and the respected guests. Actually, Andritz is doing manufacture of turbine and generators, and we are the suppliers and bringing the PSP technology to the India. First PSP was in 1959 of Panshet, Kadampadai, and others, Bira. So PSP technology is not new for the Andritz, and presently we are into many PSP projects and supplying turbine and generators from Bhopal and Vizla. These are the state-of-art engineering Indian manufacturing companies, basically manufacturing setups.
Not only turbines, pump turbines.
Yeah, RPTGs.
To be correct.
That's very important. Reversible pump turbine.
Reversible pump turbines.
Right.
And Pinnapuram is the best example. Is the first Greenco integrated renewable project. We did it in the record time. Many steps had been taken. We did the multiple assemblies for this project somewhere, and we also set you can say the inside stator and the rotor assemblies with along with the civil work. This specific area has been designated with the temperature controlled and all taken in mind, and multiple installation agencies have been used. These are the steps we have taken to complete the project in a record time.
Thank you, Gaurav. In fact, I had very good relations with the management of Voith also long ago, but I find this company very different. They're friends like Sandeep Srivastav, all the very dedicated team in India, and they're doing a good job, amazing job. But their challenge will be that how many projects वो ले सकते हैं, क्योंकि वो फैक्ट्री की तो एक लिमिट है ना, तो उसको बढ़ाएंगे भी तो फिर उतने बिजनेस आगे भी होना चाहिए. सो इवन मैन्युफैक्चरर के challenges है इसमें आरपीजी, क्योंकि मोनोपोली भी ये भी नहीं चाह रहे हैं. So now that G fellows have come, Varnova, they've done a job. But I think this sector also needs the smaller operators, because they can't come to the smaller market, which is the off-river, which is 50 megawatt 5.2. Kirloskar we are trying to encourage. I hope they can do something, because Jyoti is no more in the shape to do something for the country. But yes, the company is still there, designs are still there. So probably the government has to come out, encourage these smaller off-river manufacturers, and it's not happened. So I'm trying to build a small document for that we can do indigenous RPDGs up to 50 megawatt. Because the bigger machines, they have 240 megawatt. G's, this machine in our, this thing, Uttarakhand is, Tehri is basically 250 megawatt. So just to manage, but that's a variable speed machine. Yours is not variable now, but you had planned but nahi kiya nahi hai. But you give this fixed speed ones, because I saw them fixed speed one there. But likha hua hai, wo sab jagah variable speed likha rehta, but it's a fixed speed machine because that project needed that. It's not that they can't do it, but it's like that project needed fixed speed turbines. The little cost factor was saved, and Greenco had to bring down the tariff and all that. So ये सब decisions economic भी होती हैं कई बार. ये नहीं कि ताजमहल बना देना और फिर कुछ नहीं हो रहा, हाँ बिजली नहीं खरीदी जा सकती, वो भी तो danger है ना सर. That's all. So the last for the day,